On February 26, 2024, Tesla did a reverse split, and this idea of reverse split still lingers in most investors, especially YieldMax investors' mind. And there are a lot of comments about funds that are going to be reverse split. And so in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly which funds is going to get reverse split very soon. Just about a week ago, I made a video comparing ULTY to Coney, and there are a lot of comments about this ULTY. A lot of people express their feeling that ULTY is going to be cut. So if I'm looking at this price, guys, look at this. ULTY was at 14.23. The price of today is 15.09, and of course after hours seems to be going up a little bit, 3 cents. But it has done, if we look at the max, extend all the way max, we see it went down, but we can see within 6 months, or let's say about a month, it was at one point all the way down to 14, and it seems to be rebounding. So it is going to be reverse split soon. We'll see. We'll talk about that. But there, I'm going to show you another one. Another ETF is this one, YieldMax AI Option Income Strategy, or the ticker symbol is AIYY. This stock, if you look at the, of course, it went all the way from 20, and right now is at 13. If you remember anything about Tesla went all the way to $10, and then it was almost a reverse split, because there are rules in exchange. Whenever a certain price, they have to reverse split to bring the stock price up. So look at this. It was the 52-week range is between 11 to 21. So at one point it was all the way down, but it rebounded again, right? So now let's go to NAV to see exactly NAV on ULT. Because today's video, I'm not going to talk too much about the dividend and distribution. You might know, if you haven't seen, you can watch the video. But we look at the NAV, net asset value for ULTY right now is 1476. So what it tells me is ULTY is still pretty solid, because it was at 14 at one point and when it went up again, right? So this is coming to the point where if it hits $10, it might be split, but it's way far from there. So the fund data is very, 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 very close to be to go down. Is this guy, AI stock. So most people may be worrying about ULTY, but the fund that I'm thinking is more likely to be going to be split 1 for 2 is AI rather than ULTY. So this is just a video. I'm just showing you what fund is more likely to be reverse split. This will be ULTY, because right now the NAV is 12.92. So if it goes to 10 and it stays that way, and if it doesn't rebound, it will be cut, and they have to reverse split. So what happens to reverse split? If the reverse split happens, so for example, when the stock goes to $10 or the fund goes to $10, so what happens is, you just gonna get more shares. Your value doesn't change, guys, because a lot of people express their feelings that, well, I'm gonna lose money. Now, you don't lose any money. For example, look, shares, if you have 200 shares right now of AI or ULTY, in that case, the NAV, net asset value, is $10, right? And then, so the reverse split is just gonna be, they're gonna give you 100 shares, your NAV, it goes to 20, and your value investment is still the same as 2,000. And then if you look at the dividends, according to how they did with Tesla, at that one point they were paying 10 cents per share. Now they're paying 20 cents. So you still get the same amount of dividends, and the yield stays the same. It's very relevant. The only problem, the problem arises when that stock that is split keeps falling, like a Tesla. In that example, yes, you're going to lose money, and your dividend ain't going to be the same. So that's all. I just want to make this video to show you that I'm not really worried about ULTY. The really stock I'm worried right now is going to be reverse split soon. Will be AIYY, which is AI stock. That's all, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumb up. And if you are not a subscriber, so you don't miss these type of updates, make sure you subscribe. And that's all I have for you today. Till I meet again, next update. Bye bye.